Your face. Good morning, you guys. It's Friday. I have a couple of things to do today. I need to stop looking at the viewfinder because it's rude. But yeah, currently it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to like take a shower and I'm about to like take down my hair because I filmed part of a twist out video. I just gotta finish the other half. I have a photo shoot later at 2. I'm gonna be shooting with my friend Kareem. I heard something. Okay, yeah, so basically I'm gonna be shooting with my friend Kareem today. The concept is pretty dope. So I've been actually trying to film a vlog during one of my photo shoots for a while now. I just keep leaving my vlog camera, but I think I'm gonna actually take it with me today. I better take it with me today because this is way overdue. Also, your girl hit 17,000 subscribers. It's crazy. Thank you guys for subscribing. It's pretty wild because I think about 2 weeks ago I had hit 6K, and then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna hit 10K, blah 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 blah, thinking it was gonna take me like 2 months. Like, I didn't think it was gonna happen as quick as it did. And so if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hi, I'm Dalajah. Nice to meet you. My links will be below if you want to follow your girl on like Instagram and Twitter, and my Snapchat, I'm on there like. But if you want to follow me on there too, feel free to. So I'm actually gonna go get in the shower and get clean and stuff, and I'm gonna start filming my video. I'm gonna see if I can film 2 on top of that just to have like a week set of videos, including this vlog. So I'm gonna go get my butt in the shower and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like after the video I just filmed. I filmed 2 videos. Ooh, I literally just like binge shopped on Amazon the other night, and like I had like my DB LED lights there like for my initials, but I was like, it looks kind of boring, it's not really doing anything for me, so I just decided to like buy some stuff. So let me just show you some stuff. I'm gonna have like my camera batteries charging because I'm trying to film like a lookbook later today. I don't know why my ISO is at 3200. That'll make no sense. Whatever, I'm not even gonna say anything. So basically I have my camera over here, it's mic, I have like my ring light, I have like some tea. I'm actually about to go get me some more. I have my planner. But this I actually made. I got 2 of these drawers from Michael's, and then I got that like tabletop from Lowe's. And then I got these little sets of mirrors from Amazon. And these, I wanted to put like succulents in here, but then I ended up buying just like succulents. They're fake and they have like little stickers that I put on them. Then I got this little calendar thing, like the blocks. I thought it was cute. It's rose gold. Then I have another succulent. I have like my funny, you know, that glittery shit. Then I have like this little board up here, and it says, "Be the best version of yourself, bitch." And I have a calendar, which is pretty empty, but I need to fill it up. And yeah, so this is basically what I do. Oh wait, I gotta show you guys the best part. I have lights. So it changes colors. I think it's pretty darn cool. And yeah, but the thing is, like, I use a 50mm when I record my videos, so it's so zoomed in, it like gets in here. So I want to get like a 35 to kind of like show more of it. But so far I think it's pretty cute. I think I did a pretty good job. I love this color. Color is so cute. So yeah, this is kind of what my filming area looks like. I usually have like my ring light in this spot, and then like I'll sit like here, and yeah, so I think I did a pretty good job. I'm actually gonna go downstairs and get me like something to eat before I head out for this photo shoot because I'm starving, and I guess we're shooting outside today, so bless our souls. Right. What the hell is like, look at this motherfucker over there. I'm vlogging. Watch your language. Oh, sorry. Say hi. Hi. What's good? Looking out for my house. Who are you talking about? My space. Say hi, Chad.
Oh, hey.
What's happening? We're vlogging today. We're shooting. Look at my face.
I want to start vlogging, but I don't have a life.
You should. I don't have a life. I'm trying to. Isn't she glowing, y'all?
Oh, that's so good. Thank you. Like I look dusty.
No, that's me every morning when I wake up. My hair be all flat and shit. People be like, oh my god,
be all dry.
Right, your hair looks so good. You know what it took me to get to this point?
Right.
This is a day and a half worth of work of a hairstyle.
There you go. Appreciate you.
Of course.
Just vlogging. Say hello.
Say hi to the camera. This is the photographer. He's really mean.
My name is Kareem.
Yup. He plays no games. Oh, they have a clothing line. Wow. Haven't seen that in a while.
Ages. Welcome to the south end of Hartford, Connecticut.
Where you can find a little bit of everything.
You might find a chicken outside.
We got horses in Springfield. people riding horses.
It makes sense.
Oh damn, my dumbass. Oh my god. Oh girl, you dropped something.
Not my check.
You need that. 10?
That's good. If
The
you don't have
fudge
no
brownie,
today,
the fudge brownie is thick as hell. $10. That's what
I'm on 2 days. 2 nights.
He said cash app.
Okay.
I might have to take a night to myself.
Right.
Watch me some Netflix. It's a hard knock life.
It's so good.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's so beautiful. Oh, this is water.
Oh.
Trooper right here.
Yes.
100.
Do you see the snow on the ground? Where do I zoom in? It's so cold.
Ready again. Come on now, act right. Alright.
It's cold.
Good job.
Your face.
Not too much space. I didn't get enough. And then, are we going inside Chick-fil-A? I'm about to say, you gotta go over there like that, man.
Absolutely not. A queen never goes inside.
Never go.
No. I don't even like going inside myself.
No, I don't either. Never go inside.
I had to
They're
go
so fast in the drive-thru anyway.
Yeah. Like I had to go inside McDonald's the other day. Yo. Pissed me off. I ordered on the app, went to go pick it up, checked in, was sitting at number 3 for like 15 minutes.
Oh my god.
And I saw a guy from the drive-thru, you know how they be like, pull up. He got his thing faster than me, and I've been there before he even got in line. So I go inside. I'm like,
what's the point of me ordering on this app?
right. I'm like, my meal. Oh, we never got it. I'm like, well, this is Sunset Main Street, right? Yeah, but you have to call the app. I was like, I need a refund. You need to call the app. It's the same company. You need to give me my money. I just wanted steak and
That glow though?
That glow.
Me?
No, seriously.
I'm gonna show him. Can I like little sneak peek? Damn, I fucking focus, man. Canon, man. Hold on. You're trying to be in the vlog. Oh, can I have lemonade?
Lemonade,
please. This is where the magic happens. That backdrop, he stole. Is this the one you stole?
Soul.
Hell yeah.
Where'd you steal from?
Fucking right, studio.
The studio.
Yeah, so you would have to see once you take a look at what needs to be fixed.
Okay.
No, do that.
So basically, instead of you being like right there with her, you can just tell her what she needs to fix.
Yeah.
So there won't be a whole bunch of running back and forth.
I love the backdrop color.
It's perfect, right?
Yeah.
I was gonna go with the other one, but I feel like it was gonna be like too gold.
Yeah, this is perfect. Because you can really see the crown.
Nice.
That looks great.
Yeah. Oh, my face all up in this shit? Damn. Oh, is it even pointed on you? I don't think it is. It is? Okay.